if two circles x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x square plus y square minus 4 lambda x plus 9 is equal to 0 intersect at two distinct points, then find the range of lambda. Equation of these two circles are given, and it is said that these two circles intersect at two distinct points. Then we have to find the value of lambda, that means interval in which value of lambda lies out of these four given interval. If there be two circles with center C1, C2 and radius R1, R2, then these two circles will intersect at two distinct points if this condition mod of R1 minus R2 less than C1, C2. C1, C2 means distance between these two centers less than R1 plus R2. Equation of this circle is given. We compare it with x square plus y square is equal to r square. We know that center of this circle is 0, 0. Center of this circle is 0, 0. And radius of this circle is r. Comparing this with this, we see that center of this circle will be 0, 0. And radius r will be 2 because 4 is 2 square. R1 is equal to 2. Now we compare this equation with equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Comparing with this equation, we see that 2g is equal to minus 4 lambda. That means g is equal to minus 2 lambda. F is equal to 0 because term of y, term of power 1 over y is absent in this equation. That means coefficient of y in this equation is 0. That means f is 0. And c is constant number, therefore c is equal to 9. Center of this circle is minus g minus f. Therefore, C2 will be minus 2 lambda. Minus 2 lambda, that means 2 lambda. Minus 0 means 0. Center will be 2 lambda 0. And R2, radius of this circle is g square plus f square minus c root under. Therefore, R2 will be equal to this square, that means 4 lambda square plus 0 square minus 9 root under. That means R2 will be equal to R2 will be equal to 4 lambda square minus 9. 4 lambda square minus 9 root under. First, we consider over this condition C1, C2 less than R1 plus R2. C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2 implies that C1 C2 square less than R1 plus R2 square. This implies distance between C1 and C2 0 minus 2 lambda square plus 0 minus 0 square less than R1 square means 4, R2 square means 4 lambda square minus 9 plus 2 times R1 times R2, that means 2 times 2 times 4 lambda square minus 9 root under. This implies 4 lambda square less than 4 plus 4 lambda square minus 9 plus 4 lambda square minus 9. 4 lambda square will be cancelled out. 4 minus 9 will be minus 5. And when minus 5 is shifted on the left hand side, we get 5 is less than 4 lambda square minus 9. Squaring both sides, we get 25 less than 16 times 4 lambda square minus 9. This implies 25 less than 64 lambda square minus 144. This implies when we shift 144 on the left hand side, then this becomes 144 plus 25, that is equal to 169 less than 64 lambda square. This implies 64 lambda square minus 169 greater than 0. This implies 8 lambda minus 13, 8 lambda plus 13 greater than 0. When we equate this expression with 0, then we get value of lambda as 13 by 8 and minus 13 by 8. We draw sign scheme here of this expression. Minus 13 by 8 plus 13 by 8. Coefficient of lambda square is 64, that is positive. Therefore, in this interval, sign of this expression, that means this expression will be positive. In this interval, sign will be negative. In this interval, sign will be positive. That means this condition will be satisfied for values that lies on the left hand side, because this should be positive. Value of this expression should be positive. When we put any number on the lying on the left hand side of this number in place of lambda, then value of this expression will be some positive number. Similarly, value of lambda can also be possible on the right hand side of this number 13 by 8. That means this condition will be satisfied when minus 13 by 8 minus 13 by 8 minus 13 by 8 13 by 8 13 value of lambda lie on the left hand side of this number or on the right hand side of this number. Now we consider over this condition. Mod of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2. Mod of R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2. Squaring both sides, we get R1 minus R2 square less than C1 C2 square. This implies R1 square plus R2 square minus 2R1 R2 less than C1 C2 square, C1 C2 square. That means 0 minus 2 lambda square plus 0 minus 0 square. This implies R1 square means 4 plus R2 square, that means 4 lambda square minus 9 minus 2R1 R2 minus 2R1 R2 minus 2 minus 2 times R1 times R2, 4 lambda square minus 9 less than 0 minus 2 lambda square, 4 lambda square, and this is 0. 4 lambda square will be cancelled out from both sides. This implies 4 minus 9 minus 5 less than 2 times 2, 4 root under 4 lambda square minus 9. We shift this on the right hand side, then this is 4 times 4 lambda square minus 9. For real value of root under 4 lambda square minus 9, right hand side is either positive or 0, but left hand side is negative. Therefore, right hand side will always be greater than minus 5. A positive number or 0 is greater than a negative number. Therefore, right hand side will be greater than left hand side. That means this condition will be fulfilled if root under 4 lambda square minus 9 is real. But R2 is 4 lambda square minus 9 root under. If value of 4 lambda square minus 9 becomes 0, then R2 will be 0. Then this circle will be a point circle. Then we cannot get 2 points of intersection, 2 distinct points of intersection. Therefore, R2 should not be equal to 0. R2 should not be equal to 0. That means 4 lambda square minus 9 should not be equal to 0, but it should be real. But it should be real. Real means a square root of this should be real and positive. For this, 4 lambda square minus 9, root under 4 lambda square minus 9 will be real when 4 lambda square minus 9 is positive or 0. But we cannot take equal to 0 because R2 cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, 4 lambda square minus 9 must be positive. 4 lambda square minus 9 must be positive. 4 lambda square minus 9 should be positive. When this will be positive, right hand side will be positive, and then right hand side will be greater than this left hand side. 4 lambda square minus 9 positive. This implies 2 lambda minus 3 2 lambda plus 3 positive. Root of corresponding equation of this expression will be minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Coefficient of lambda square is 4, which is positive. Therefore, in this interval, sign will be positive. In this interval, negative. In this interval, positive. Sign of this expression should be positive. This condition should be fulfilled. That means value of lambda should lie on the left hand side of this number or on the right hand side of this number. Both these conditions, this condition and this condition, both these conditions should be fulfilled. Therefore, we draw a real line. On this line, we put all these numbers, minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 13 by 8, 13 by 8. 3 by 2, 13 by 8, minus 3 by 2, minus 13 by 8. Now this condition is fulfilled when value of lambda is on the left hand side of this number or on the right hand side of this number. This condition is fulfilled when value of lambda is on the right hand side of this number or on the left hand side of this number. Both conditions will be fulfilled for any number lying in this interval. This condition is not fulfilled, only this condition is fulfilled. But for number lying here, this condition and this condition, both conditions are fulfilled. That means both conditions will be fulfilled for number lying on the right hand side of this or lying on the left hand side of this. Therefore, lambda belongs to minus infinity to minus 13 by 8, minus infinity to minus 13 by 8, union 13 by 8 to plus infinity, 13 by 8 to plus infinity. Lambda should lie in this interval.